can't figure out what she wants to do. I said, go, you don't have no money and they care for my dear place. So I'm at Fromage today.
You have a mask?
Yes, I have on mask.
Where's mine?
What your mask say?
I'm still part two.
Hi guys, welcome to another video. Yeah, so today I'll be going, as you can see in the description, I'll be going to Fromage and I'll be giving them a review based upon the quality and the taste of their food, their customer service, their price, and I'll definitely comment on their COVID protocols. A lot of people are kind of skeptical to be eating out at this time, which yes, it's kind of scary, but your girl love our belly. Yeah, and I'll be sure to keep safe, as well as I'll be joining up with a friend you'll see soon, and we'll be going through some questions and answers that you, my subscribers, asked me, and I'll be answering them just so you get an idea of what this channel is and will be about. See you soon. Alright, so we're almost there. I took the back entrance because there's always available parking around the back. You know, it's a good girl look like she never remember the turn. So I'm walking in. So I mean, take up myself gone without no mask. You're having to go, then you would enter through that door. Marketplace has changed up a bit. They're still renovating. East Japanese is now gone, and Fromage is right here. Where's my date? Alright, so guess why may I turn back? Before the people them shame me, I don't have on any mask. I left the car without my mask on, so that not hurts you, you know, like you just leave out of your car, think all is well, right? No mask on. And depending on where you park, you have to turn back and walk a far way just to go back to your mask. That sucks. Guys, my poor ears, glasses, mask, ears ring, my poor ears, too much things I keep. Anyways, we're back, all masked up. This is the way I should be looking. Is going back to where I was. See you soon. For woman that watch her. Oh, sexy stuff. Oh, sexy stuff. Hi.
What are we talking about? Hi.
So this is my YouTube video.
What YouTube is we talking about? What YouTube is?
I have an adventure vlog.
And you're adventuring?
Yes. So I'm at Fromage today.
You have a mask?
Yes, I have on mask.
Where's mine?
What your mask say?
I'm still part two. Alright, I'm back.
Yes, so guess who I spotted at Marketplace, guys? Working.
Yes.
When I hear that.
Brother man, anyway you're there, you know you have to. So when the camera off, you don't know what to keep. You know what I mean?
Oh my god!
Yeah.
Alright, so Julie's saying our first bad reviews at the think we made up our minds. Finally, what we're getting in it literally took about 15 minutes.
Nice, you know? Yeah. I should be on the menu.
I'll be getting chicken and waffles. Julie's getting red velvet pancakes with an omelette. Can't figure out what she wants to do.
I said, go, you don't have no money and then care for my dear place.
Out of pocket for that shit. Way out of pocket.
So in here is empty. There's not much people here, yeah, which is good. We sanitize upon entering, mask upon entry, and we're seated pretty far away from people, so ignore here. So yeah, so that's a plus. So we'll see how long the wait time is to get food, seeing that there's nobody here. You know? It tastes like tap water. I bet not know. It tastes like purified. Really?
Yeah. I know water.
Is that the water that we're drinking is
Probably catching
So, what's your come? So, what's your name? Isaiah. So Isaiah has been really great so far. You know, we'll come and make sure so we're alright. Yeah. Make sure say, you know, we'll figure out what we want to eat because the menu is so long. Yeah, big up Isaiah. When you come to Fromage, we have to ask for? Yeah. Isaiah, thanks. He low-keyed just corrected my pronunciation of his name. Oh, wow. Okay, guys, so we had to move because people them and them bang on music and it just loud and a bit nice. Thank you.
That's nice. Welcome.
So Isaiah just got strawberry lemonade, guys. Strawberry lemonade. Woo. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see some more. Guys, wait for this drink shell. Like, it's so good. Like, it tastes the lime, the strawberry. It's not too sweet. It tastes like real lime. So I have a problem where most of these restaurants are using the fake liquid syrup to make their lemonade. Not here. I must commend them.
Going back to childhood days, like, which food do you hate and which food do you love? Food and drink.
Alright, so childhood days, I hate soup. Soup and Cersei tea. If you want some ball, just tell me I have to drink soup and give me Cersei tea. I sit down in front of it and just there they look. You like Cersei? Drop a comment down below. KFC. Jamaican KFC was my heartstring. Like,
Was or is same way?
was
Like, you ever get tired of the whole vlogging thing?
I don't get tired, I get lazy. And while I want to share the experience with you guys, you know, and tell you what the price, what the experience is, I kind of don't want to vlog. Like, I just want to enjoy myself. Like, I can't but I feel take up camera and I do this. So, I probably need to be more dedicated in terms of that because I'm extremely lazy. Oh my gosh, the food is here. The food is so here. Because the food come, you know, it's a question time done. I'm sorry. Julie, what you think about the presentation and everything thus far?
Yeah, well presented. I like it.
This is a lot of food though.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a lot of pancake over there.
Yeah.
You saw in the clip earlier. The egg is decent size, but that's a lot. I feel like this is a lot, but we'll be sharing it, so it shouldn't be that bad. But yeah, we'll be telling you how these actually taste.
The presentation is really good.
Presentation is on key. Our waiter was on key. COVID protocols.
We know that good.
The drinks is so. Yeah, we're gonna dive in. I don't know where to start. How do you eat this? Do you like remove the chicken from the? I don't even know.
Good.
This French toast is.
That's this. Oh my god.
There's a cinnamon.
No, this tastes without it. It's good. This is so good.
Okay, guys, so fluffy. I feel like a foodie.
It's really good. Talk true. I use the word. Talk true. But don't.
Taste this one? It tastes good, the French toast. I don't know, I feel like I'm supposed to remove the chicken now.
Alright, take it off. Boss.
My boss. The boss doing us is just a show off. Pancakes are a lot. Everything is a lot.
Well, at least we can say we are place where we don't know how much I'm gonna go away, but the serving side is really good. I often hear people complain that, oh, there was a nice place, but there's a little bit of food that can't come with a beer plate.
Yeah.
The serving is really good.
Serving size is huge.
More than what we can manage.
It's huge for the money. So if you were I think if you come in here with somebody,
Yeah, you
it's
can
best
just
to
share
buy one serving
and just share it.
and share. When the bill comes, I'll make sure to do a video of how much everything came.
Go with calculator
And calculate everything back, because that's what accountants do. Alright, so the accountants at work.
What do you go? 1,700 plus.
Let's see if she'll get this correct, guys.
Plus.
If not, we have to send her back at ACCA.
Plus 6. Me not done with it yet. 650. Yours are how much?
Mine was 1650
1650.
plus the 650 for the lemonade.
Times 1.15. That includes 15% GCT.
Plus the 10% too.
Plus times 1.1. Well, basically 7 grand.
Alright, guys. So if the bill come,
This we expect.
this way I expect to see.
This ballpark.
And if it no come to that,
Question, yeah, bro.
one question either the over Julie's head or over
Not mine.
Alright, so they had to make it viral, so here it goes. On behalf of the team here at Fromage, I want to say thanks for coming. It was really nice to have you. I mean, you had options, but you chose us, so thanks for that.
Thank you. We are pleased with our choice. It was fun. The food was great, and the service was
Really
excellent.
good.
I mean, the pleasure was ours. You know, I'm not just going to say mine, you know, because we're here as a team.
Right.
Fromage. Alright, so thanks for choosing us, and please enjoy the rest of the afternoon.
Alright, thank you. Thank you.
Welcome.
Alright. And here we are at the end of another video. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, and turn on your post notifications so you get notified when another video drops. See you in the next video.